Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. And first question here. If A minus B over C minus A equal 1, what is the mean of B and C? Because A minus B over C minus A equal 1, so A minus B equals C minus A. By collecting like terms, we find that 2A equal B plus C. By dividing by 2, we find that A equal B plus C over 2, which is the mean of B and C. So our choice here, it will be choice C. And second question, if 15 power m equal 27, 10 power y equal 15, and 3 power x equal 10, so what is the value of x, y, m? In this case, we find that 15 equal 10 power y, so we can replace 15 by 10 power y in the first expression. It will be 10 power y m equal 27. And because we are lucky, we have that 10 equal 3 power x, so we can replace 10 by 3 power x also in the same expression. So it will be 3 power xy m equal 27, and we know that 27 equal 3 power 3, so we have at the end 3 power xy m equal 3 power 3. Then xy m equal 3. So our choice, it will be choice D. And third question we have here, the perimeter of rectangular land equals 60 meter. It consists of two adjacent square lands. So what is its area? First, we must draw it. Two squares together. The side length of the square is x. So in this case, we have the rectangle and we have its width, which is x also. So if the width of the rectangle is x, so the length must be 2x because we have two squares. The perimeter of the rectangle is the sum of all outline sides, which is x plus 2x plus x plus 2x, which is 6x. So we can find an equation here. 6x equals 66. And by dividing by 6, we find that x equals 11. In this case, the width equals 11 and the length equals 22. Because the length is 2x, and 2 multiply 11 equals 22. If you have the length and width, you can find the area of the rectangle. The area, it will be 11 times 22, which is 242 meters squared. So it will be choice C. Fourth question here. In the following shape, a square of side length equal x, and the semicircle m passing through two vertices of the square and the intersection point of its diagonals. What is the area of the shading part? In this case, we have that the side length of the square is x. And in the same time, the diameter also is x. The diameter of semicircle here is x, so the radius of the semicircle, is x over 2. So to find the area of semicircle, it will be half pi r squared. And the r here equal x over 2. So it will be half pi x squared over 4. By simplifying it, it will be pi x squared over 8. From the shape, we find that the shaded area part equal area of semicircle minus quarter of the square area, because this triangle represents the quarter of the square area. And we know that the square area is x squared. So by substitution, we find that the area of shading part equal pi x squared over 8, which is the area of semicircle, minus quarter of square area, which is x squared over 4. Now we can find the common denominator by multiplying the second term by 2, above and down. So it will be pi x squared over 8 minus 2x squared over 8. So the answer, it will be pi x squared minus 2x squared over 8. We have common denominator here. We have here common factor, which is x squared. So by taking common factor, we find that the area of shading part, it will be x squared bracket pi minus 2 over 8, which is choice C. Thank you very much, and see you soon.